Hey, this is just a quick screencast to kind of show you what we covered in the 4.5+ hours of live streaming with Ionic and VueJS just quickly. So this is an app that is based off of the list template that gets generated from the Ionic CLI. As you can see, clearly there's different content in here. So what we did was we created a mobile dialog that allows you to enter input. It'll take any input right now. We're not doing any validation. So we showed how to create input fields. We showed how to bring in other types of fields other than plain text. So we have that in. We're showing here using the text area. We showed some simple validation with the save modal. And then we're adding the data to a Firebase database in the back. We didn't immediately add it to Firebase. First, we just added it to local storage, and we showed how to manipulate arrays, adding items, removing items, updating items, deleting items. And then in the last video, we actually moved it over to Firebase. The other thing we did was we worked on this ion item sliding, so you can add this delete button on the end. We showed the use of alerts, so I have this alert that pops up. If you want to confirm, you can cancel it. Let's actually delete this so you can see the other thing. So you delete the message. We showed the use of the toast here on the bottom. And then also, if you notice, we integrated pull to refresh. That's calling Firebase in the back end. So we covered a lot of stuff in just those 4 hours. But I figured someone's going to see this long video, 4 hours, and be like, what am I going through here? So I said, let me just create a small video to kind of give you an overview of what got covered. So now if you find it something interesting, please swing over to my YouTube channel. Look for the specific playlists. Let me see if I can bring this playlist up here. Okay. So this is actually the playlist that everything's covered in. Live stream coding with the Ionic framework, Capacitor, VueJS. Look for VueJS Livestream 1, and that's where everything is. Hopefully you enjoy it. Check it out later. Bye.